Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Your PC did not start correctly error typically indicates that something interrupted the boot process, which can be caused by various factors such as number 1. Software or driver conflicts. Incompatible or faulty software programs or drivers can disrupt the normal startup process and trigger the error. Number 2. Recent hardware or software changes. If you recently installed new hardware components or software programs, they may be incompatible with your system or causing conflicts that result in the error. Number 3. Corrupted system files. System files essential for the proper functioning of your operating system may become corrupt, leading to startup issues. Number 4. Disk errors. Errors on your hard drive or storage device can prevent the computer from starting correctly. Number 5. Power failures or improper shutdowns. Sudden power outages or improper shutdowns, such as forcefully restarts, can leave the system in an unstable state and trigger the error. Number 6. Hardware problems. Faulty hardware components such as failing hard drive or faulty RAM can cause startup problems and result in the error. And number 7. Malware or viruses. Malicious software or viruses can disrupt the startup process and lead to the error message. This error message can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to resolve this issue. So, let's get started. When this error occurs, the first step is always to try restarting your computer. If your computer only encountered a temporary problem, it will reboot and Windows will start normally. To restart your computer, on the error screen, click Restart. As the computer begins to boot, immediately press and hold the Shift key. Keep holding the Shift key until your computer starts normally. It will help to prevent automatic startup programs and services from loading and start your computer normally. If your computer failed to boot into Windows after restarting, then from the error screen, click Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot. After that, Advanced Options. Now click on Startup Repair. If prompted, you will need to log into your user account and then allow the tool to start the repair process. When it's done, try restarting and see if you are able to boot into Windows normally. From the error screen, click Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings and click on Restart. After your computer has restarted, press F4 or F5 key on the keyboard and wait for your computer to boot into safe mode. Safe mode is a troubleshooting mode that loads only essential drivers and services, allowing you to diagnose and resolve the issue with your system. Check for recently installed software or drivers. Use the control panel or settings to view and uninstall any recently installed programs or drivers that might be causing conflicts. Run a system scan. Use antivirus or anti-malware software to scan your computer for any malware or viruses that could be causing the startup issue. Update or reinstall drivers. If you suspect a specific driver is causing the problem, update it to the latest version or reinstall it. Check for disk errors. Use the command prompt to run a disk check chkdsk to scan and repair any errors on your hard drive. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Use the task manager to disable any unnecessary startup programs that could be causing conflicts. After that, try to restart your computer and see if it is able to boot normally. To reset Windows Registry from the error screen, click Advanced Options. Then Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options and click on Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: reg space export space hklm /software space your system drive letter /registry underscore backup dot reg and press enter to backup your current registry, which is recommended. Once the backup is complete, type the following command: reg space delete space hklm /software space /f and press enter to delete the registry hives and reset them to their default state. Confirm the deletion by typing Y and pressing enter. Repeat these steps for other registry hives you wish to reset and don't forget to take a backup before proceeding. For example, you can reset the user hive by using the following command: reg space delete space hkcu space /f. This command deletes the hk current user hive. Once you have reset the desired registry hives, close the command prompt window. Restart your computer and see if it starts correctly. If resetting Windows registry does not resolve the issue, try using System Restore. If you are unable to access Windows recovery environment, then boot your computer using Windows installation media. If you don't have a Windows installation media, then here's the tutorial for you. Click Next. Click Repair your computer. Then Troubleshoot and access System Restore. Click on Next. Choose a restore point from a time when your computer was functioning correctly and click Next. Click Finish to begin the restoration process and restore your system to that point. Keep patience, do not interrupt the process and allow it to complete. Once the restoration is finished, click on Restart. After rebooting, if the error no longer appears, the system restore process was successful in resolving the issue. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.